How to add BankID to Nordea Bank? To use BankID with Nordea Bank, you need to connect your BankID to Nordea Bank. If you don't have a BankID, you will need to create one. Go to Nordea's official website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Look for a section related to security settings. There should be an option to add or link your BankID to your Nordea account. These may involve entering the details of your BankID or following a specific process outlined by Nordea. You may be required to verify your identity during the process. Once the process is complete, you should receive a confirmation that your BankID has been successfully added to Nordea account. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.